how to move files from one location to another location using the command prompt. So I'm here on this memory card. Let's create here a new text document and call it, let's say, move videos to H drive and desktop folder, and press enter. Okay, and I want to move from this folder, so type in first move. Okay, then go to the folder where your videos are, and here are the videos. So copy that path, copy, and paste it in here. So it will move from that path slash every .mts file. Where to move it? To the H drive column slash and desktop folder, because that's where my desktop is. Desktop properties and location, it's on the H drive, H desktop, and that's it. So it will move from that path every MTS file to the H drive desktop folder, and that's it. Close it and save it, and of course rename it from txt to bat and press enter. So now it's not a text file but a batch file, and if I double click on it, it is moving from that path every MTS file to the desktop, and MTS files are appearing here and they are visible here also. And that's it, how to move files from one location to another location using the command prompt. After it finishes, it either disappears or it remains here. I didn't wrote pause at the end of that file, so it probably will disappear. Let's see what will happen. That's it, it disappears. And now private abchg bdmv stream is empty. The files were moved here. That's it, thanks for watching and bye bye.